Hello, today we will see how we can provide input help on selection screen other than formal methods like using domain or manually using function module. So let's see how we can do this. For this purpose, first I will write the program and then I will explain all those statements why I am using it. So let's write the program first. Parameters, and second parameter is equal to type after this what we'll do, we will use the event at selection screen on value request or p get to. Here we will call one screen, let's say 100, and we will call it as model window. So we have to write starting at let's say 10 5 and ending at let's 50, and then we can give as 10, right? Let's save it. So let's create this screen first. Screen 100 test, save this, activate this screen. I will activate the program also. Oh, I have wrong used it. SPFLI SPFLI. Now we'll activate this. Oh, just a moment. Where is this double I? Here is this double I. Okay, fine. So let's go to this screen. Let's here we will define a module. Let's say value list. Using the forward navigation, we'll create this module also. Yes, let's see. Here, what we have to do first, we have to use we have to suppress the dialog first. Then, so we will use first dialog. Then we have to leave to list processing. For that, let's do list processing and turn to screen 0. And what more we have to use? We have to use set pf status as space. I will describe all these statements, why I am using it, and what are the effects of this statement in ABAP. And one more thing, new page, and also new type. Sorry, no title. Let's extract this. Okay, let's activate this. Now right input help, other method and see, we can give it color as color of heading tab. Basically we can use heading, and after this we can give one line, horizontal line. And now the actual method for providing the input help starts. So how we are going to achieve this? We have to hard code this. Like what we will do, let's see, p cat 2 ac, and then we will use write it should be start from new line, and then p cat 2, and will give some color. So this will be color, and this will be like call key, and then we will, let's say, Air Canada. Similarly, we'll write again, and here we can give LH, and here to answer. And another one we can use and same will use fine, it's enough. Let's activate this. And one more thing we have to do now is to hide cat 2, and we will clear also. Right, let's activate this. one more event we need to use so that we can get the selection from the value held into our variable on the screen. For this we have to use add line selection event, and we have to ensure the proper positioning of cursor while double clicking. So for this purpose we will use check what initial and there. Fine. So let me discuss what I have written in this program basically. So first I am going to discuss this suppress dialog function. Actually it depends where we are using this suppress dialog function. If this statement is used in PBO processing, means this multiple PBO processing, process before output block, then what it will do, it means it will that code will be processed without displaying the screen. This is the purpose of this statement. And one more thing, the previous screen will be remain visible, and similarly after the PBO processing the PI will triggered, and function code, if we have any function code assigned, then that will be transferred to SAU config, and we can handle those SAU function event in our program. Outside of the PBO processing, this statement is ignored. So now let's discuss this leave to list processing and return to screen 0 event. This statement can be executed in PBO as well as PI processing. What happens after the current info is processed? This statement interrupts the info sequence, starts the list processor, means the list output, and displays the basic list, right? Set PF status. This is well known command. It is to define the GUI status in the subsequent layouts. Actually there are various variations of this set PF status command. Let me show you. We can use off program. There are variations like off program, set PF status something, means let's say a space, and then we can use the GUI status of other program also with the keyword like set PF status, the status name, and off program and program name. And another variation is set PF status is status name and excluding F code. Excluding F code means we want to use the deactivate function to set the GUI status. And one more variation is we can use set PF status name immediately. If we are using immediately, means generally immediately statement set PF status immediately, it is used in generally displaying the detailed list. So right now we are using set PF status space, and we are not going to use another status. So this is the thing. Now new page. This statement creates a new page in the current list, and this no title means we have the title of a screen basically. So it is to define whether we have our standard title on or off in the subsequent pages in the detail list or list output. So a standard setting for the standard basic list is with title, for the basic list, and the standard setting for detailed list is no title. Here I will use the no title. Let's activate this. Let's activate this. Let's activate it. See, here I am getting the input help. This is coming from the domain value in the standard search help provided by the SAP in the table, and here we will get our manual input help what we have written here. So this is the another way to provide input help on the selection screen, right? Okay, thank you.